Adom TV Premtobre Kasee na Augusto Shano yakwa Asante Mantemu swafo ye Dr. Frank amwako hene ene wode ne nan asifom se lorry terminal bia yesi wo blue light arena eye adum bia ho ehye be na wotwemienu ntemu no wo munyae emunsam Kasee edieche
Asante Mantemu for Dr. Frank amwako hene ene de ne yesi foma lorry terminal bia wono mo si wo blue light arena no wo edum wo Kumase no wahye wono mo se wonya adwuma wono mo edie no na wotwetwemu ena Kumase Traditional Council ehye se fasu bia GPRTU4 etode afasa lorry terminal ho no wono mo embu ni nyina entungo nanso wonam eja eto edum America kretwemu no enam so ma mpanyefo de aproboko piem wo ho a wono mo ko hunu se sa lorry terminal yi akakra mo manfo yi esiewie nam so when
we visited this morning, we realized that there is a new station coming up just right under the footbridge. It's a not, and I engaged the person who had taken over that space, and I've told him to halt whatever he wants to do there. I've told the police commander and the NADMO to make sure that they clear that space off the 207 vans that they had brought in there. That place is not a station, and I wonder whoever gave that permit.
And which Dr. Frank amwako hene sane to just say one more shaposi fo ise won hwe no ama edwedefobia amma bia ya eja no ehye yese wono mo eba bedu wonjuma ebiem.
I've instructed the police commander and the NADMO team to make sure that they prevent people from having access into those buildings. We've conducted a structural integrity test on all those buildings. The report is ready. I discussed with KMA on Thursday at the assembly and get the approval for some key recommendations they have put in the report. Then also with His Royal Majesty 2482. After all these consultations, then I'll present the final report to His Excellency the President, so that in making a decision, as President, His Excellency can have in mind all the stakeholders involved in this whole issue, so that we can have a holistic decision and stakeholder conversation moving on into redeveloping the place.